Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. So while you are browsing on the Chrome browser and you encounter the 403 forbidden error, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then the block window will appear. Now simply type here IP config space forward slash flush DNS, hit enter. Next command, NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Type here exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method in the Windows search bar, type here NC pa.cpl control panel item. You have to click on that. Then here you need to look for your connection. It could be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Well, the process is just the same. Make a right click, select properties. Here the Wi-Fi properties will be up. Now scroll down and look for the IPv6, this one. If this is checked in your case, simply do not check this. Again, do not check IPv6. Then click on the Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. Now here you have to click on the first option, obtain an IP address automatically. Then for the second option, you have to use the following DNS server addresses. For the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. So this is the Google's DNS, which is also one of the greatest DNS. So you have to click on OK and simply close all these windows. And then you have to restart your Windows afterwards and then launch the Google Chrome application again, and this time the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.